Okay, making a quick video on if your cam guide is kind of hard to get off. I recommend trying to rock it back and forth to get it to come off. Usually it'll be stuck on your dowel pins. This style is famous for that. If it is really a pain, you can take a flathead screwdriver and get underneath it and just do small light twists on corners. Any spot you can access and twist. Don't put a lot of pressure because you don't want to damage your sealing surfaces. Also, on installation, if you cannot set it all the way down, you either have a damaged dowel pin or your C-clips are not falling in their grooves, which is the most common one I've seen, noticed, and felt. So just kind of walk it back and forth, make sure it gets on the C-clips first before you start pushing down on it. Make sure you do that before you start forcing it on, because you can damage the channels that the C-clips ride in, or you can damage your dowel pin areas or your dowel pins if you are unable to push it down flat and then start tightening down doing your bolt pattern, whatever it is. Just thought I'd make a quick video on that. I have seen cam guides that have come in the shops that I've worked at where people have forced them down on there and they've ruined these grooves, ruined the C-clips, had to replace the whole cam guide. People usually get upset about that, but it's not my fault you fucked it up, bud. So yeah, I thought I'd make a quick video on that. Right on. Have a good one, guys.